Okay, today we have an engineering experiment called floating bridge. So let's try. We need 4 popsicle sticks and 4 bottles. Let's begin. Take stick 1 and place it between the 2 bottles. Actually, we're going to go at a diagonal. Take the second stick and place it across the first one. Take a third stick and let's put it across the second one we just placed. Now let's take the last stick and we're going to put it underneath and then back over like this. Make sure all sticks are securely placed on top of the edge of a bottle. And now watch as our engineering magic proves itself. Wow, the floating bridge is very strong. Good job today, guys. See you next time. Goodbye.